So today, Eric and I went to the Filipino store and guess what I got? Balut! Except hilaw pa siya. So I will have to cook them myself. I have never tried cooking balut on my own. So I was instructed to just boil them for 25 to 30 minutes and that's what I'm gonna do. So after I boil them for 30 minutes, I'm gonna eat it obviously and I'll let you guys know if my cravings are gonna get satisfied or not. This is how I cooked my balut. In a pot, I put water and salt, turned the heat on high, and waited for the water to simmer. Once the water started to simmer, I slowly put in my balut one at a time. Put the lid on and waited for the water to boil. Once the water started to boil, I turned the heat down to medium-low and set the timer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I let the balut sit in the hot water for another 5 minutes before I started eating them. And now for the moment of truth. Di, kung sumakses ba kung paglutoan ni, sumakses ba? My love?
Yeah.
Alisa?
No, absolutely. Stay away from me.
Oh my gosh! Lami!
Be back in 10 minutes. I love you.
No, you don't.
I love you. Aww.
Love you too. Siyempre, mas lamig yapon tong sa Boulevard sa Dumaguete. Pero, may na lang. Better than nothing. Indeed, na-satisfy akong cravings. Kita mo kaog piso. So, ato na siyang kuhaon. Oh my gosh. Cholesterol na to, ani dings. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's it. 8 out of 10. For dessert, we're having piyaya. Parang nasa Pinas lang ako. Gotta go. Sakit na ko likod. Back hurts. Thank you guys for watching.